This is problem number 17 for GATE 2019. Inverse Laplace transform of Hs equals to s plus 3 divided by s square plus 2s plus 1 for t greater than equals to 0. Option A 3t e to the power minus t plus e to the power minus t. Option B 3 e to the power minus 3. Option C 4t e to the power minus t plus e to the power minus t, and option D is 2t e to the power minus t plus e to the power minus t. Okay, before going to the problem, we need to recapitulate few formulas of this Laplace transform. Okay, now if this is a unit function, we have a Laplace transform 1 by s, right? Now if this is t to the power t ut, then the Laplace transform will be 1 by s square, and if this is t to the power n ut, we have Laplace transform of n factorial divided by s to the power n plus 1, right? And now t to the power n e to the power a t ut, we have this Laplace transform n factorial divided by s minus a to the power n plus 1. Okay, now I am just erasing after this hs can be written as s plus 3 divided by, this is the formula of s plus 1 whole square, right? Now this can be written as s plus 1 plus 2 divided by s plus 1 whole square, and this is 1 by s plus 1 plus 2 by divided by s plus 1 whole square. Okay, now you see that if you put n equals to 0 and a equals to 1, then this will be 0 factorial means 1 divided by s, okay, e to the power minus 1, a equals to means what I say, n equals to 0, a equals to minus 1, then this will be 1 by s plus 1, right? So this is the thing. So we have to, means if I do the Laplace transform of h of s, it will be, this will be t to the power 0 e to the power minus t ut, and this if I put n equals to 1 and a equals to again minus 1, we have 1 divided by s plus 1 whole square, and if I take 2 common, this will be t to the power 1 e to the power minus t ut, right? So this is the Laplace transform. Now you can see in the question that for t greater than equals to 0, so this unit function, what we have, this unit function we have 0 to say this is the function ft is equals to ut for t greater than equals to 0 and equals to means this ut, this is actually ut, ut is equals to 1 for t greater than equals to 0 and 0 for else. Okay, now t greater than 0, this value of ut is 1. So we can put 1 here, and this will be e to the power minus t plus 2t e to the power minus t. So we have the correct option D.